Hello class, this is your instructor Dimpna Ugwu-Oju, just trying to catch up and update you on where you should be in this third week of class. I just finished uploading some stuff to Canvas and also to go over some of what it is that we're talking about this week. Okay, this week's chapter 3 deals with books. It provides some history of books, how it came about, and also it provides the timeline that shows you how books have evolved through the years. And also it has some information on book censorship, on how there are groups that are determined to ban some books. And so your discussion topic for this week is really about banning books and your thoughts about it. Okay, so let me just briefly point out where we are. Today is January 22nd. So the discussion forum for your second topic, should the media be questioning the president's fitness for office, is still open until tomorrow. You also have the response for chapter 2, which is Does Media Ownership Matter? That is due on the 26th. And I really do want to explain what is required of you with these short responses. Okay, at the end of each chapter, I give you a chance to write a short response. You do not have to do them all. In fact, only 5 are required for the entire semester. But I do try to provide one at the end of each chapter because some of you may like some topics more than others. Okay, so as long as you do 5, you have met the requirements of the class. All the extras, for some of you who are a little bit more ambitious, all the extras, I'll figure out how to use them as extra credit. Okay, they're not going to be what the 40 points each that the short responses are worth. They would be worth a percentage of the 40 points. And you'll get that information before the semester ends. Okay. Also, your chapter 2 quiz is due on January 28th, which is next Sunday. And also, your Learn Smart assignment is also due on the 28th. And then in this week 3, I want you to look at, review the chapter 3 PowerPoint. The short response is on censorship, and it is due on the 9th of February. And the response for the discussion this time is going to be on ratings. Should we have ratings for all media or no ratings at all? And also your chapter 3 quiz is due on February 20. And also you have your Learn Smart assignment is also due on the 10th. Okay. Please feel free at all times to let me know if you have questions or if you have any concerns. I will try my best to help. You can email me or call my office extension at extension 8190. I do have online office hours on Tuesdays from 9 to 10, and it's on Canvas. Please feel free to use that time to communicate with me or to let me know if there are ways that I can be of better service. I thank you and have a nice week.